Hello guys, welcome to my channel Binoy Block Creation F4. How are you all? And today is being very interesting video, so don't skip this video. Let's start this today's video and stay tuned in this video. Let's start this today's video. You can show the thumbnail. आप लोगों को पता है चल गया होगा 2025 न्यू डिजिटल सिक्योरिटी पॉलिसी क्या है यूट्यूब पर, ठीक है. So don't skip this video and stay tuned in this video. This is being a very important things guys for all those are monetized and non-monetized channel. So let's start this video. YouTube doesn't allow the content that encourages the dangerous illegal activities that risk the serious physical harms or the death. If you find that content that violates this policy, report it. Skip or a specific section. This is the article read the harmful dangerous content policy. मतलब यूट्यूब कभी भी अलाउड नहीं करता है ये सब डेंजरस कंटेंट इलीगल पॉलिसी जो होता है फिजिकल हार्म्स और डेथ की तरफ. सो रिपोर्ट इट एंड नहीं तो आप स्किप्स कर सकते हैं. और पूरा पॉलिसी यूट्यूब की क्या है क्या नहीं है आप आराम से ध्यान से पढ़ लो, ठीक है. ये सब चीज़ें यूट्यूब कभी मान्यता नहीं देता है, कम्युनिटी गाइडलाइंस के विरुद्ध है ये सब चीज़ें. एंड लेट्स गो to the important point. Now the starting of the March of the 2024, our policy is YouTube saying that is being a harmful and dangerous contents being updated to the stricter stance on the audience and disclaimers, and they updated the guidelines that is doing better access to the risks and harm to protected provided. YouTube doesn't allow this encourage and dangerous illegal activities physical harm to death. जैसे मैंने पहले ही बता चुका हूँ. If you find the content that violates policy, report it. Skip the specific section of the article. Read the harmful dangerous content policy. Give an example. The dangerous contents policy is restricted the content removal, education, documentary, scientific, or the artistic contents. What happened? The content policy violates this policy. क्या होगा अगर आप ये सब चीज़ें वायलेट करती हो, कम्युनिटी गाइडलाइंस अगर आप वायलेट करते हो तो क्या होगा. यूट्यूब ये सब चीज़ें पूरा क्लियर आप सभी को बता रहा है जो कि डिजिटल सिक्योरिटी में है अभी. तो पूरा चीज़ आप लोग पढ़ लो तभी आपको समझ में आएगा. पूरा अभी मैं दे चुका हूँ. एंड लेट्स गो टू द सेकेंड्स नाउ. It is the important policy that's to videos and video description, comments, live streams, and any more YouTube products feature. This is also be to external links, contents, including the click URL. जो links है URL detecting users video as well as from harmful dangerous content policy क्या है. What is the policy means for you? Policy. What is the policy? This is the below and completes the content might be violated policy. Post it. Harmful dangerous content is pranks आप नहीं कर सकते. The dangerous challenges poses और images leaks और physical injury challenge नहीं कर सकते हैं आप. जो है images link risks ये सब नहीं कर सकते हैं. Pranks lead victims and the emerges serious physical danger that create the serious emotions and the minor acts performed by adults. Yes, this is being a very harmful, dangerous acts and the instructions to kill harm. To show all and tell the viewer how they perform the activity to mean to kill or they several harm others. So explosives given the instructions to make the explosive device or the components injured to kill other. Firearms, it is more the review to farm policy. So this is being a policy जो you can connect violets from the YouTube. And now the digital security content instruction steps videos that's the express the still physical goods or they get something from free. Hacking, you can do hacking in YouTube, demonstrating how to do the computers information technology and social instinct credentials compromise the personal data cause that serious harms to others. ये सब चीज़ें आप नहीं कर सकते हो. यूट्यूब कम्युनिटी गाइडलाइंस के विरुद्ध है. Bypassing the digital contents on service content that showing the viewers and unauthorized access content software service usually require payment. अगर आप ये सब चीज़ें करते हो तो ये सब के लिए पेमेंट चाहिए. फिशिंग, दिस इज़ बिंग ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट जो कि आप फिशिंग नहीं कर सकते. द कॉन्टेंट्स द थ्रेड्स ओके. That's what's happened to contents that violate the policy. क्या होगा अगर आप violate करोगे तो. If your content they violate the policy, we should remove the content and it will send the email lets you know. हम आपको email हो जाएंगे और and we will verify the URL link posted that is video itself. The video independent it's my video is being removed. आपका video remove कर दिया गया है. If you think the first violating community guidelines, you will be get a warning and no penalty. आप अगर violate करते हो आपको warning मिलेगा, कोई penalty नहीं. If you have the chance of policy policy to allow this expire 90 days 90 days का समय सीमा दिया जाएगा तभी ये expire होगा and it is when the training okay the 90 days periods the training after the 90 days when you warn the issues and however the same policy will be violated अगर आप फिर से वो violate करते हो the warning will be not be expired तब वो expire नहीं होगा given as a strike आपको YouTube strike दे देगा if you violate the if you violates a different policy complement to training if you will get another warning आपको फिर से warning मिलेगा if you get the 3 strike the 90 days of your channel will be terminated your channel will be terminated सीधा सीधा YouTube ने बोल दिया अगर आपको फिर तीन स्ट्राइक मिलेगा आपका चैनल ही टर्मिनेटेड कर देगा तो so don't violate this policy from the YouTube guidelines you may terminated the guidelines because repeated violence and community guidelines terms and service we are may also the terminated your channel YouTube will be terminated आपका चैनल टर्मिनेट कर सकता है YouTube after a single case you can several use and channel may be deactive policy जो कि deactive policy में चला जाएगा violation you may be prevalent repeated of this policy training in this future so learn more about this YouTube account you have to see this all this thing what happened मतलब अगर करोगे तो आपको ये सब चीज़ें YouTube ने साफ साफ ही बोल दिया है ना कि आपको अगर एक बार आप वायलेट करोगे तो ठीक है आपको ट्रेनिंग मिलेगा ठीक है 90 डेज़ में वो स्ट्राइक चला जाएगा फिर से अगर आप करोगे तो आप यूट्यूब डायरेक्ट स्ट्राइक दे देगा फिर से अगर वो रिपीटेडली हुआ तो 3 स्ट्राइक मिलने का साथ साथ आपका चैनल ही यूट्यूब टर्मिनेटेड कर देगा मतलब योर चैनल विल बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम दिस यूट्यूब सो गाइस डोंट violated the YouTube policies guidelines this is being a very important thing okay you can see all these things YouTube have already given the notes whatever and they tell about your channel harmful dangerous content policy what is means for you okay this is very important thing so note आप लोग सुन लो this is list below to complete I think your content might be violated the policy don't post it अगर कुछ ये है तो वो अगर वो आप पोस्ट मत करो यूट्यूब सीधा सीधा बोल रहे हैं दिस कंटेंट इजेंट अलाउड ऑन यूट्यूब कोई भी वीडियो हो कुछ भी हो अगर वो वैसा ठीक ठाक नहीं है तो यूट्यूब उसको आगे नहीं बढ़ाएगा सो हार्मफुल डेंजरस पॉलिसी आप लोग ये सब कुछ चीज़ें जो प्रैंक्स है ये सब चीज़ें नहीं कर सकते हो आप यूट्यूब पर एक्सट्रीमली डेंजरस चैलेंजेस जो चैलेंजेस है पोज एंड इम्यूज रिस्क टू फिजिकल इंजरी जो अगर फिजिकल इंजरी हो सकता है ये सब चीज़ को यूट्यूब मान्यता नहीं देता है दैट्स नॉट बीइंग given by YouTube okay this is the violate the policy of the YouTube so read through the seconds also policy harmful dangerous content policy I have given to you can read this being carefully okay the minors and physical participating dangerous activities content that's endangers the emotional and physical beings of the minor the review for the child safety policy yes child safety policy is being also being important in our YouTube guidelines also so don't break the policy what given by the YouTube community guidelines who are being already being monetized and you can see this is being clear note given by the YouTube let's go and I will show you the another thing also if you get the 3 strikes in 90 days your channel will be terminated अगर आपको 3 स्ट्राइक मिलता है तब आपको चैनल टर्मिनेट we may be terminated your channel repeated violation community guidelines terms of service and you may be terminated your channel account single case of the service abuse to the channel of the policy violation and we may report it offenders may be policy training in future आपको training दिया जाएगा so guys you can also take a training in YouTube you have the community guidelines training is being available in there so you can take a training what is being a community guidelines what are their rules okay and what is YouTube content policy yes this is the main thing hate speech parental behavior graphic violence ये सब चीज़ें आप नहीं कर सकते masculine attack contents and promotes to harmful dangerous behavior that's isn't allowed on YouTube ने साफ साफ कहा है हैट स्पीच कोई भी ये सब चीज़ें आप नहीं कर सकते बिहेवियर ग्राफिक वायलेंस चीज़ें आप नहीं दिखा सकते मिसलियस अटैक एंड कंटेंट promotes on harmful okay and what content is not allowed on YouTube में क्या क्या content allowed नहीं है we have the community guidelines that set the rules and the road or that road for what we don't allow on YouTube example pornography included violence, harassment, and speech. We are really on combinations on people on technology and appropriate content of the importance of these guidelines. So you have to read these things. What is the content not allowed on YouTube, and what is the harmful dangerous policy? Harmful, it means that you can note it, that thing this is being below. If you think it is being harmful, even policy, it doesn't post it. Okay, so you don't post this policy, a harmful dangerous policy, and pranks and harmful dangerous challenges, dangerous threatening pranks, harmful dangerous act, minors participating in these activities. So there is being a child safety policy. I hope you will be like and enjoy this video. Thank you for the watching.